A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now you know your ABC. Next time, won't you sing? Hey y'all, this is Ryan. I'm gonna be playing for you for the kids at the public libraries in Mobile. On Wednesday the 15th, you're going to be able to find me at the Ben May Public Library at 11 a.m. And then on 3 p.m., we're going to be at the Dauphin Island Parkway Library. And then on Thursday the 16th, we'll be at the Trinity Gardens Library at 10 a.m. And then ending up at the Toulminville, Virginia Dillard Community Library at 1 p.m. on Thursday. And I hope to see you there. And maybe bring a grown-up with you.